Did you ever just stop and realize your brain's been running the same damn loop for hours, days, months, and maybe even years? I'm doomed. I'm stuck. Nothing's working. Yeah, me too. Happens to everyone. I use this three-step thing. No fancy terms, just DPS. A simple, powerful way to break the emotional and mental loops of anxiety and hopelessness that keep draining your energy, blocking your clarity, focus, and emotional control. It's based on neuroscience and ancient Indian teachings. Try these three steps and let me know how they help you. D. D for direction. The moment you notice a familiar loop, that is a constant nagging thought showing up, pause. Pause and ask, what direction is this thought taking me in? And then ask, what decision am I avoiding right now? Am I avoiding the decision to be strong, confident, resilient, or gritty? Most loops exist because clarity is missing. The moment you realize it's a loop directed towards anxiety or hopelessness, you can go to the next step. The next step is P. P for permission. Put your hand on your chest and say this out loud. I give myself permission to end this thought loop now. My safety does not depend on this thought. Say it again. Mean it. You are not suppressing it. Most people feel guilty for not thinking about their problems. And the truth is, you need not process everything that comes to you. Most of the time, your mind actually needs silence. And this brings me to the next step. S for silence. After you pause the loop using the first two steps, don't distract, don't scroll. Just sit with the silence for 30 seconds. And in that silence, say to yourself, I have thought about this enough. I have carried this long enough. I can stop now. In ancient Indian teachings, the loop begins to dissolve through Viveka or discernment. The moment you see the pattern clearly, you stop identifying with it. This clarity teaches you that you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of these thought patterns. That clarity naturally leads to what is called Vairagya, that is disinterest. This is not detachment out of coldness or running away from problems, but a quiet knowing that says, I don't need to run this story anymore. And you let the pattern be without resisting it, fighting it. And you say it's okay if the pattern is still there. I am not going to engage with it. The moment you do that, you release it. And even if it doesn't get released, you feel okay with it because now you are the observer who doesn't participate. Like we say in India, you are the sakshi, the witness of your thoughts and not your thoughts. Please understand this. You don't need more time to think. Sometimes the best thing to do is to do nothing. I call it the art of letting go. If you have been practicing the law of attraction but not seeing results, this is probably why. The universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to what you repeat with emotion. And the DPS method will help you make the repetitive pattern emotionless. This changes your vibration to attract abundance. I'm Dr. MD, a certified hypnotherapist, author, and a Guinness World Record holder in super memory. Follow or subscribe for more on alternative education. I'll see you soon. Until then, keep practicing DPS and take charge.